One of Alliance's most enduring landmarks is Glamorgan Castle. Listed in the National Register of Historic Places, the structure was commissioned by Colonel William Henry Morgan, the president and principal owner of the Morgan Engineering Company, who named it for his father's birthplace in Wales. Morgan was a Renaissance man, not known for doing things on a small scale. After he secured a 50-acre plot of land, Morgan enlisted the services of architect Willard Hirsch, whom he sent to Europe to study and draw up plans. Construction began in 1904. Although the Morgan family moved into the three-floor structure a year later, work was not completed until 1909. The total cost was $400,000. Built from 100 tons of structural steel and a 96 train car loads of Vermont marble with walls above ground a minimum of 13 inches thick, Glamorgan boasts the strength and security of castles of old. But unlike these structures, which were then cold and dark, Glamorgan featured many modern comforts, including a bowling alley, a billiard room, and a large swimming pool in the basement. Upstairs, the castle's rooms were decorated in a variety of styles, including Italian Renaissance, French Empire, Louis XV, Elizabethan, and Japanese. Behind the castle was a farm, which included a house, a barn, and a carriage shed. The Morgan family staff included a butler, upstairs and downstairs maids, a gardener, and a chauffeur. In 1939, 11 years after Colonel Morgan's death, the Elks Lodge purchased a home and approximately 50 acres of land for $25,000. 25 years later, the property changed hands again when the Alliance Machine Company purchased it and initiated an extensive renovation, transforming the castle into the company's international headquarters. Armed with a $774,000 preservation grant, the Alliance City Schools purchased the castle and 20.5 acres of land in 1973. Today, the building houses the school district's administrative offices. Glamorgan Castle is open for tours at 1 and 2 p.m. on Fridays throughout the year.